Hello folks, I'm Bill and I invented the Bugout Bungalow. If you need a low-cost building for a she shed or a man cave, an extra bedroom or an office, there's a low-cost solution to get that. It's a building system. It's a panelized building system composed of 8 triangles and 8 trapezoids in the walls. It's a panelized system that you can build. It's very easy. It's low cost. So come on, let's take a look inside. So this model I call a 120 because it's less than 120 square feet, won't need a permit in most areas. Of course there'll be exceptions. It's actually 117 square feet, but I call it a 120 because I want to make sure I kept it under that criteria so it didn't need a permit. So let's look inside. This is the inside of a Bugout bungalow. Now this is the framing. It's just been painted. So that could be insulated with rigid foam insulation board. But this displays how it's framed. So I want to point out that the framing is a triangle. That's just 2x4 with a piece of plywood on it. That's a single roof panel. That's the triangle. The trapezoid, you can see, comes up like this, down, down, down. That's the trapezoid panel. That's the framing. So it's just, this is the same plywood you see on the outside. That can be insulated, sheetrock, put any type of paneling you need on it. So this is less than 120 square feet, 117. This I'm going to use for an office. So I have some miscellaneous shelving. So I have a sleeping bag up there, extra chairs. So this is set up for an office. I'll put a futon there. And this I can use for my desk. Got a TV there. Now this is a Nature's Head composting toilet. This wall here is removable. It's in simply. I can also put a door on this. This I have the toilet in here just for demonstration purposes. That's normally in my RV. So anyway, this is a Bugout bungalow. It's something you can build, particularly if you don't have much in the way of building skills. You can build this. So basically just building some simple panels. There's a roof panel, a wall panel, and then actually a left hand and right hand. So 4 different types, or 4 individual panel types. There's 4 of each of the 4 types. But they're easy to build on a table or right on the ground. And if you can run a skill saw, handle a 1/2-inch piece of plywood, and a cordless drill, you should be able to build one of these. And they're low cost, and my plans are low cost. So my plans are available in the description, or a link to my plans are available in the description. So if you know anyone that's interested in a tiny home, a cabin, a she shed, a hip camp type of structure that's low cost, something they can build, is portable, send them a link if you would. Or what the heck, buy them a set of plans. They're really low cost. It's a digital download. There's about 20 pages showing every measurement, every angle, everything you need to know. And I also have a tutorial that shows me building these, or one of these, assembling this one actually in real time. So anyway, good luck. Let's do a quick step outside and look around again. Look at the back. So that's a 30-inch by 5-foot window. You can see I've got it trimmed out similar. That's a minimum amount of trim that covers all the seams. So that's the back side. I think that does it. In this video, I'm demonstrating a bathroom I designed for a small Bugout bungalow. So this is just a framing for it. That's a 2-foot wide pre-hung door. Inside I have a 32-inch preformed shower pan that I got at a local box store, and that's a Nature's Made composting toilet. And when you go to use the shower, you'll simply take the toilet out and use the shower. Again, this is just a framing that's plywood. It needs to have some other type of surround put up, whether tile or some type of plastic, hardy backer, or some water resistant drywall. So I'll turn this off and then take the toilet out to show you. So I've taken the toilet out and set it off to the side. Now I have a regular 32-inch wide shower area. Headroom's compromised. I fit in there. I'm 6'2". It's tight, but it works. So again, the shower's not complete and needs some type of waterproof membrane and shower curtain put up. And other than that, it's pretty efficient use of space for a Bugout bungalow.
1, 2, 3, 4. Smoking dope and drinking beer, quite a bit of that goes on around here. I don't know why, but I think I'll try not to smoke so much dope and drink so much beer.